Thousands of Jamaicans in Western Jamaica enjoy brighter smiles and clearer vision every year, courtesy of Great Shape Inc. and its partners. This charitable organization, based in the United States, has been visiting Jamaica since an aid mission following Hurricane Gilbert in 1988.
We started doing little projects ever since the hurricane to try to help communities get them into great shape, hence the name Great Shape, reshaping communities in need.
We have a lot of partners, but our main partner is Sandals Foundation.
We did school projects, road projects, medicine, shoes, anything we could do to help. And we were doing what we could, but we were doing not as much as we wanted. Until 2003, I knocked on Sandals' door, and Sandals said yes to a proposal for a dental project.
The partnership with Sandals Foundation blossomed and the eye care program was launched in 2009. It has led to the 16-year-old 1,000 Smiles Oral Health Program and the Eye Care Optical Initiative that's in its 10th year. To date, both have benefited over 200,000 persons across the parishes of Westmoreland, Hanover, St. James, Trelawney, St. Mary, and St. Elizabeth. The estimated value of the goods and services provided in those 7 parishes is $8.8 million. As part of iCare's 10th anniversary celebrations this year, the organizers provided free selective laser trabeculoplasty (SLT) surgery for open-angle glaucoma, as well as argon laser treatment for patients with diabetic retinopathy.
When people have glaucoma, they have a lot of pressure in the eye, and with this surgery we could reduce the pressure in the eye and save their sight for many years. With this surgery, some people could get off their glaucoma medicine, some people could reduce it greatly and not have to take so much.
It'll deliver laser energy, and I have this lens that I put on the surface of the eye. That lets me get up into the angle where the iris and the cornea come together. That's our drainage system inside the eye. So what I'm doing, this is a YAG SLT laser, but I'm tapping those drainage cells with laser energy. So I'm not punching holes at all, but I'm just tapping those cells. And the majority of people, that'll increase the outflow and lower the pressure. So that's what we're doing with this.
One beneficiary of the surgery, Ethan Daly, was all smiles after completing the procedure. The senior citizen, who says he has been struggling with glaucoma for about 6 years, is grateful to the charity organization for helping to save his vision.
I'm feeling okay now, because I used to feel like a vapor in this left eye, like something stuck on my eye. Don't feel it again.
We have medicines that we give for a couple months, but we do refer to the government-based hospitals in Kingston and Montego Bay if they need further treatment for their glaucoma.
Prescription eyeglasses are custom-made on-site for people who visit the free clinics, and thousands of sunglasses are also provided to prevent further eye conditions. Eye care volunteer optician Tom Hicks, who hails from Oxford, Ohio in the United States, is making his 3rd trip to the island, and he says helping others is most rewarding for him.
I have a saying that it's not what you do for yourself that will be your legacy, it's what you do for others that will always be remembered. And that's why you do trips like this. And that's why you help other people that need it.
Over 71,000 pairs of glasses have been distributed under the eye care program since 2008. Dentistry, which is by far the biggest branch of the outreach, attracts volunteer dental hygienists and students from schools in the US, Canada, and here at the University of Technology.
We have a great sealant program involved with Great Shape. Sealants are something we can apply to teeth before they have any decay into the little grooves and fissures that will help prevent cavity, prevent debris from getting in there. And so it's a wonderful way to try to keep people from having cavities in the first place.
Along with the sealing, the Great Shape Inc. 1000 Smiles project also does fillings, cleanings, extractions, X-rays, and root canal procedures. The opportunities for knowledge transfer to final year UTech dental students helps to improve results in their clinical exams.
We're exposed to different techniques. There are different ways of doing things, better ways, so we're able to improve ourselves just by being in contact with persons who have been in the business for a long time.
Volunteers also visit local primary schools where they provide oral health education and products to the children.
You can't eat your favorite foods if you don't have teeth, right? So it's really, really important that we brush our teeth every single day. How many times a day? 2. Perfect. Great
Such is the essence of life. People giving in to volunteerism, giving of their time, skills, and resources to help others in need. Catch the spirit now? So that we can all be in great shape.